Hey everyone, I just wanted to introduce myself and let you know what you can find on our YouTube channel. First of all, my name is Kyle. I work for PowerBook Medic. We are a repair company that works primarily on Apple devices such as iPads, iPhones, and laptops. However, my particular job, I work on the logic boards. So I do a lot of the small component level replacement. And in doing this, it requires a lot of diagnosing, trying to figure out what the issue is. And it is a learning process, and it's taken me a while to get to where I am, but it also, I'm learning more and more every day. And mainly because Apple, their newest devices, are pushing all of the peripherals such as your RAM, your hard drive, or any storage, all of the other devices that used to plug into the board and was very user friendly in replacing, now are all soldered onto the board. And so it's becoming a requirement to have to learn how to repair the boards to continue in this business. So real quick, I'll show you some videos what we do. You'll notice in this video right here, let me see if I can get it started. Right here, I'm showing you the schematics, and so how to understand the schematics and work through them, and then I show you how to use the board view. The board view is a software that shows you the actual board, the picture of it, and it shows you all the components on it, and then you can click on a particular pin like I'm showing you there, and it shows you where all those traces go to on the board. So it's a very nice piece of application, a nice app that you can use in diagnosing and figuring out what the problem is with your logic board. So I'll show you that, but also let me zoom or go a little bit further here. I work through my microscope, so I can give you a close-up view of what I'm doing in the work, and you can hopefully learn something from this process and be able to maybe even do it on your own if you want to do this as a hobby, or if you want to start your own business. Also, let me get another video pulled up here. We are well known for our take-apart guides. In this particular one, I'm taking apart the 2018 15-inch Macbook Pro. This is the touch bar. Be nice if I could play that. There it goes. And this is a step-by-step walkthrough on how to take apart the machine in the easiest way possible. And I give you some hints and tips throughout this process, let you know what to look out for, what to be careful about, and also I let you know what tools are needed as I'm going through the process so that you can do this on your own as well if you feel comfortable doing so. So that's just a few things that we do here on this channel. We also enjoy getting comments and feedback from the viewers. We know that a lot of you have been a long-time subscriber. We just now hit 20,000 subscribers, so we're pretty excited about that. So if you're new to the channel and you're enjoying it, please leave a comment. Leave us a like on the videos and keep this community growing. We really do appreciate it. We also have a Facebook page that we like to get conversations going with the community. So if you could check out our Facebook page, we would appreciate that. And we also hope to be giving some special deals on there and just keep the community growing. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the channel. Hope it's encouraging for you that you can do this on your own. Hope you learned something by it, but I also hope you're entertained by it. If you have any comments or suggestions that maybe could help us to be more entertaining for you, please leave a comment for us. We look forward to hearing that from you. So anyways, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you leave some comments. We look forward to that. Anyways, it's nice to talk to you, and we'll see you soon. Have a nice day.